A Bixby user can invoke Bixby two different ways. One is by saying "Hi Bixby," which we call HEF or hands and eyes free mode. The other way is by using the Bixby button, which we call HOM or hands-on mode. Why as a Capsule developer would you care about this? Well, if the user's in HEF mode, they may not be able to see or interact with the screen, so you want to make sure your voice experience is robust and full. On the other hand, if they're in HOM mode, they likely can use the screen, so they can use the screen to interact with and get information, so you may want your dialogue to be more terse. One important consideration is just because the user is in HEF mode, it does not mean they cannot use the screen, so you definitely want your UI to look good in HEF mode. Now, how can you as a developer determine if the user is in HEF or HOM mode? Let's jump over to the Bixby Studio and take a look. All right, I'm over here in the Bixby Studio. I'm using the context sample code from GitHub. I'm just going to run it.
Here's what I found.
All right, two things to know. This says hands-on mode, a little header, and then it says hands-free false down below. Now, if I rerun that, clicking on this, which is the equivalent of telling a simulator to simulate saying "Hi Bixby," run it.
Here's what I found.
Now it says hands-free mode at the top, and hands-free down here is true. All right, let's take a look at the code that does that. All right, first off, in my JavaScript, if I want to define hands-free, it just in the viv context variable, I added this little code. If viv context hands-free, then console log hands-free. Very simple. More frequently, you determine hands-free in something like a view. So let's say I did it in the view. I added this code right here for this title area. And look at this if hands-free. So a little bit of Bixby expression language there. If hands-free, make that hands-free title area, otherwise hands-on title area. And that's it. If you want to determine if the user is hands-free or hands-on, you can either use it in your JavaScript or expression language in a view or other Bixby model. And that is your Bixby tech tutorial of the week.